Dr. Jeff Andrews developed statistical methodologies for finding meaningful groups within data. I asked him, what exactly is that, and why is it so important?
I use mathematics, statistics, and computer science sort of combined together to develop tools where we can look at data sets, find groups within those data sets. And we want to look for meaningful groups because that's how we're going to understand what's going on in that data set. A famous example is a data set full of 150 flowers. There are 3 different species in that data set, so 50 of each species. And they've taken measurements on petal length, petal width, sepal length, and sepal width. And the idea is we can use these tools to take those measurements and actually differentiate among those species. A researcher could take that information, and if it's, say, a type of flower that's actually hard to distinguish visually, they're the same color or whatever, you could take those measurements out in the field and provide a pretty reasonable guess as to which species that particular flower actually comes from. In that example, that's a fairly simple example and it's easy to solve. The flowers separate out quite easily according to those measurements. But there are many other problems and sort of countless other applications where this type of tool can be used. And the mathematics and statistics behind it are essentially the same. We can use that to look at things like differentiating between healthy and sick people from medical diagnostic measures. It's actually even used in applications like image compression for computers as well to save space on hard drives. So it's pretty wide.